All right, going along. NASDAQ here. Today was NFP, so at 8:30 we had news release data. I expected price to dip on NFP. If you look at the daily, there's a lot of consolidation, but we had relative equal lows on the daily chart that I felt like price was going to gravitate to. So we traded down, and at open, we immediately tanked and took out lows from 915, and those lows looked really smooth. We get a first presented fair value gap, so I wanted to see, because all the time frames were speaking bearish to me, but we just had that massive drop. I wanted to be patient and see what price was going to give me in terms of like a dealing range. I wasn't looking for a home run here. I was just looking for a quick scalp, if anything. And we get that first presented fair value gap on the 1 minute, and I enter long. There's a little bit of slippage, and I'm a little late. There's also a very small inversion fair value gap on the 15-second. That's in the upper half of that 1 minute first presented fair value gap. So I enter long, and I'm targeting those relative equal highs that we formed at 9:30 and what is that, like 9:40 respectively. And I'm just above that. There's a 5 minute bearish fair value gap. So I'm not looking to tap into the fair value gap. I'm just looking to take out those highs. I still think, because all the higher time frames are bearish, that we're going to continue. We may continue down for the remainder of the day. So I look at those 9:30 relative equal highs as engineered buy side. I think that price is going to use that to trip traders up, and it's going to attack that before possibly moving down again. This is also during the 9:50-10:10 macro. And we're about to hit our limit soon. And that's all she wrote. Booked. Great ending to the week. One of my best weeks trading in these Lucid accounts. So really happy about that. See you next week.